YouTube. We're doing something different today. We are at the track, High Plains Raceway in Colorado. Yeah, I was offered the opportunity to come take a look and do a ride along. So why not? Weather is great. I want to take the 911 back on the track, so I thought, hey, let's go take a look. Try to get acquainted with the track, so we're ready for next year. And I got to ride in a Supra. So much power, that's crazy. And in an Elise, the balance on this car is just a dream. That's amazing. So, pretty good morning so far. Unfortunately, when we had a problem with the Supra, it happens. Hopefully he's gonna make it home and fix it from there. But yeah, we're still gonna make the most out of the day. So let's go get some footage of what's out there, huh? Let's do it. Okay, made it back home. The Supra soldiered on and brought us back. So what happened is brake line was cut. So that made for an interesting moment at the end of the straight line. But you know, could have been much worse. The car is okay, we're okay. And that's gonna be an easy fix for Gabe. So everything worked out. I also got 3 laps with Eric in the Lotus Elise. That was awesome as well. Completely different experience. So overall, yeah, very happy I went. That was a great way to spend half a day. Now I can't wait to bring my own car there. Until then, that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.